Up until today, you could just buy and sell cryptos to your pleasure without even caring for Uncle Sam. But the IRS just changed the deadline to file taxes from April 15th to July 15th to help people. But they added a special thing to catch you now. And in this video, I'll explain to you how the government is starting to regulate cryptos and how you can protect against it. Hi there, my name is Jaime Shekaiben. Welcome to my channel, The Foreigner in America, where I teach locals and foreigners everything related to their money. So if you're someone that loves money, personal finance channels, want to learn about investing, the markets, trading, real estate, all this good stuff that I love, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any one of my 2 weekly videos. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram at The Foreigner in America, and make sure you check out my blog, theforeignerinamerika.com. Bitcoin is getting so much traction today. More and more firms are accepting Bitcoin either as a form of payment or they're allowing their investors to put money into Bitcoin futures like this BlackRock investing. They're holding Bitcoin as a hedge for inflation, just like Tesla did by buying $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. They feel that it will be more valuable than gold in the long term. It is true, though, that the dollar is losing value. And it's also true that we'll have a lot of inflation once people start traveling, going out, spending all this money that they receive from the government. It's true, inflation will occur. Janet Yellen, the Treasury Department Secretary, does not like Bitcoin at all. She thinks it's speculative and inefficient. So she leads Treasury and also leads the IRS, which is in charge of taxation in America. And trust me, they do care about cryptos now. Now the IRS is just curious of people that are buying and selling cryptos. They just changed the first sheet, the 1040 form for your personal income taxes. And they added a question that says, have you bought, sold, exchanged, or traded cryptos or virtual currency in the last year? So if you answered no, and you actually did, I mean, it's as bad as if you just lied to the IRS about other incomes besides employment. And you take a risk of being audited and destroyed. The good thing is that if you answered yes to the question, it doesn't necessarily mean more taxes. The IRS treats cryptos as property. So whenever you sell, if you incur into an earning, an equity, if you sell for more than what you bought, that difference is going to be treated as property. But the problem is that you have to hold the investment for more than a year for it to be treated as capital gains tax and not as personal income tax with the federal tax brackets. So if you hold a crypto for less than a year and you sell it on a profit, it's going to be treated as a personal income, and that could go all the way to 39.6% tax. But if you hold crypto for more than a year and then you sell on a profit and you make less than $40,400 a year, you will pay 0 in taxes, or twice $80,800 for a couple. And then over that income, you will be charged a 15% capital gains tax. And with an income all the way to $445,850 for singles and $501,600 for married couples. So all that range, you will pay just 15% of your earnings when you sell crypto. Over that income, you will be paying at 20%, but it's much less than the federal income tax rates. And hopefully that's not your case, but if you claim losses, then you can also put them on the record, and you can deduct all the way to $3,000 a year on losses because you bought and sold crypto. If you had more, then you can roll to the following years. If you get paid with Bitcoin, like a job or if you're a consultant, that will be taxed as ordinary income. So that will go through the federal tax brackets, which blows. And same if you're an independent contractor and you get paid with Bitcoin, you're considered a self-employee. So you have to pay federal income taxes, double Social Security, and double Medicare, minus deductions. But if you get paid with Bitcoin, it will be treated as ordinary income. The problem is here that imagine that you get paid $100,000 for a job you did with 2 coins, 50,000 per coin. You're very happy with them, right? So you declare to the IRS $100,000 earnings, and they will tax you on those $100,000. But a year later, when you're actually doing your taxes, those coins drop in value to $20,000. So what does this mean? That you are declaring $100,000 in earnings, and you're gonna get taxed probably 25% of that, $25,000, but your coins are only worth $40,000 because they dropped in price. So that sucks. And that's the reason why you shouldn't be treating Bitcoin as currency, because it's very volatile. Just imagine now that you hold $1 million of Bitcoin in your account, but you don't do anything about it. You don't buy, you don't sell, you don't trade. You just hold them and you're waiting for it to go up in value. Very smart. So do you have to answer yes to the question? No. Just put no. Because the IRS is not asking you how much money you have in cryptos. They're only asking you if you bought, sold, or exchanged Bitcoin in the last year. So you're safe. And actually, the IRS is changing from education to compliance and enforcement now. So they're sending out like 10,000 letters to people trading cryptos who are not paying their fair share of taxes. So be careful. So how do I avoid paying taxes? Well, easy. Don't sell. If you don't sell your coins, you're not paying any taxes. The IRS will not force you to say how much money you have in cryptos today. So if you need money, go and ask for a loan and put your account as collateral. That's the easiest thing you can do. Whoever lends you money wants to know that you have assets or brokerage accounts. So if they see that you have the coins and how much they're worth, they will lend you the money easily. Let me give you my foreigner insight for this topic. Cryptos are getting hotter and hotter every single day. Just Elon Musk came out with a tweet about Doge that spiked the price like a certain percentage. It's crazy. This could be the real currency for the future. You never know. If you're interested in investing in crypto, go to Coinbase today and start your free account and start to invest now that Bitcoin is at a very low and accessible rate. But remember, do not put all your eggs in that particular basket. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss any one of my 2 weekly videos. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and follow my blog because I post there as well. So until then, I'll see you next time.